Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at the production process of aluminum profile. Let's take a look at how XT-Aluminium's integrated plant goes about the meticulous process from the initial stages of aluminum rods to the shipment of the final product. The production of aluminum profile starts with extruding aluminum bars, which are then drawn through a mechanized process to form aluminum profiles of different cross-sections. These profiles are then cooled to form aluminum blanks that can be further processed, stamped, and surface treated. We understand that the quality of aluminum rods directly affects the precision of subsequent processing, so at this stage, the material we use is mainly 6463/6063 T5 material, which is robust and durable. In addition, customers can choose from 6 different surface treatment processes to ensure that aluminum profile meet their required specifications. In order to meet the specific needs of customers, aluminum profile is cut into different lengths for packaging and shipping. During this process, every step of the factory requires great attention to detail. We use advanced equipment and technology to ensure that the size and shape of aluminum profiles meet the design requirements. In addition, the uses of aluminum profile is very wide, covering many fields such as construction, transportation, electronics, etc. Whether it is window frames, door frames, or various industrial accessories, the strength and lightness of aluminum make it an ideal choice for various projects. As the demand for aluminum profile continues to grow, our commitment to quality and customer satisfaction remains a top priority. From the initial extrusion to the final shipment, the entire process is rigorously executed, and we are committed to providing our customers with better quality aluminum profile products and services. XT-Aluminium focuses on innovation and high-quality aluminum profiles to continuously evolve to meet the needs of various industries. Thank you for your interest. If you want to know more about aluminum profiles, please feel free to contact us and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.